we are going to be talking about the past simple, negative, and interrogative. Watch to the end of this video.
World where learning leads the way, we grow stronger every single day. With a smile, with passion, with truth. Welcome to TeachSphere with Ayuk.
Today we are just going to look at the negative. How do we form past simple, negative, and interrogation? When we talk about interrogation, it means question. Okay, you can either say question or interrogation. Now, the objective of this lesson is to learn how to form and use past simple, negatives, and interrogative. So, we have grammar review, past simple, negative. Now, we form the past simple with did not. Remember, did is the past simple. But when we are talking about the negative, we have to put not. So because we have to add not, it will become did not or didn't. Didn't is the short form. So remember, we have the long form and the short form. The long form is did not and the short form is didn't. And we form by adding did not plus the base form. The base form of the verb. When we talk about the base form of the verb, means we don't add anything to the verb. For example, I did not go to school yesterday. I did not go to school yesterday. Let's say, did not plus base form. Example, I did not or did not go to school. Go to school yesterday. Go to school. Let us leave it like that. I did not go to school. Now, you realize that we have used did not. And because we have used did not, we are not going to use the base form. So we cannot say I did not went to school yesterday. No. Because did here is the past form of do. Do you understand? Because did is the past tense of do. And do has already been changed to did in the past. So we cannot have two past tense in one sentence. Do you understand? So whenever you use did not or didn't, then verb should be in the base form. It should be in the present. Simple. You don't add anything. Are we okay with that? So, for example, I didn't watch the show. I didn't. You see? I didn't watch. Now you realize that watch here is in the present. It is the base form. You don't add s, you don't add es, you don't add anything. Because we have already used didn't. Example number 2. They didn't go to the event. They didn't go to the event. Now we have didn't and we have the verb go in the base form. Are we okay with that? Who can give you another example? Example.
We didn't have a homework.
Okay, last class we didn't have homework. We didn't have. It says last class we didn't have. We didn't have homework. Okay, so we see because we have didn't and now we have. Have should be in the present or in the base form. Okay. Okay. Okay, so the next slide. Okay. Yeah. So the next slide talks about grammar review, past simple, interrogative. So we have reviewed past simple, negative, and now how do we form the past simple interrogative? How do we form the past simple negative? Question. So we form questions with did plus subject plus base form. Please take note. Hey, 1, 2, 3. If you make noise again, you stand till the end of the class. You should listen when the teacher is talking. Okay, so we form questions with did plus subject plus base form. Now, take note of this. Did plus subject plus base form. That is the structure of the past simple negative. For example, did you see it? Did you see? Did you? So did is, and this is the subject and the base form see. So you cannot say, did you saw it? Wrong. Because as I earlier explained, we already have did in the past tense. So therefore, the verb should be in the base form. You don't have to change the verb to the past tense again. So, did you see it? Or did she take the photo? Did she take? So you have did plus subject plus base form of the verb. Did she take the photo? More examples. Hope. Another example.
Did he take a trash?
Again.
Did he take a trash?
Did he take a trash? Okay. Did he take the trash? Okay, very good. Another example, one more. Who are those who have been disturbing my class? Yes, one example. Example in the past simple interrogative. You're scratching your hand now. When I was teaching, you were talking. Who are you talking with? Okay, help him. You both. Yes, question. Did you study yesterday? Very good. Did you study yesterday? Okay, that was good. Please, next time when the teacher is teaching, don't listen to your friend, okay? He's misleading you. Okay. And okay. Now we are done with this. And now the last one is short answers. Remember that whenever you have questions, there must be answers. And this answer should be in the short form. Just like if somebody says something to you or asks you a question, you don't just need to say yes or no. You must respond in a short answer. For example, did you go to school yesterday? Answer.
Yes, I did.
Or?
No, I didn't.
Very good. Did you go to school yesterday? Yes, I did. Or no, I didn't. So somebody shouldn't ask you a question. Did you go to school yesterday? Say yes. No, it doesn't sound polite. So you always answer with a short answer. Okay. And did they study yesterday?
Yes, they did.
I want to hear the response from the whole class. Did they study yesterday?
Yes, they did.
Or?
No, they didn't.
Very good. Yes, they did. Or no, they didn't. So this is very important. Any questions so far? Okay. If you don't have any questions so far, let's see. Let's have some practice. Now, guided practice. Make questions. Susie, take the photo. Question.
Did Susie take the photo?
Very good. Did Susie take the photo? Short answer.
Yes.
Yes, she did.
Or?
No, she didn't.
Very good. Kaupan. Good morning. Kaupan. Good morning. Okay. Question. Very good. Question number 3. Bill Gates make a speech. Question.
Did Bill Gates
Make a speech.
Answer.
Yes, he did.
Yes, he did, or
No, he did.
no, he didn't. Very good. And question number 4. Okay, sorry. That's good. There's no question number 4. And we are still on guided practice. Make negative questions. Change to negatives. 1. I watched Live 9 on TV.
I didn't watch Live 9 on TV.
I didn't watch Live 9 on TV. That's very good. We went on holiday last year.
We didn't went on holiday last year.
Very good. We didn't go on holiday last year. 3. I had breakfast this morning.
I didn't have breakfast in this morning.
I didn't have breakfast this morning. That's very
This is TeachSphere with Ayuk. Well, learning shines in all we do. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to see you soon for the next breakthrough.